Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well, and I hope that you were able to capitalize on the markets last week. I want to take you through my analysis for the coming week for Euro USD. Like if you watched my last week's video on Euro USD, I said that I was bearish in Euro USD and I'm looking for sell opportunities because candle formed an engulfing candle, not your typical engulfing candle, but nonetheless an engulfing candle, and I'm waiting for price to sell this coming week, which price actually did. As you can see from this weekly candle over here, that this past week was generally bearish. So I hope you're able to capitalize on that move. While we're on the weekly time frame, I'll quickly plot some key levels, and we'll move from there. So we'll identify some key areas and see how it helps us in the future. Okay, so I have some support level over here, some weekly support level. So draw support and resistance level. Right. So this will help us to identify some key areas so that when price gets to these areas, then we'll be looking for price reactions around those areas and how we can capitalize on it. Okay. All right. So let's move to the daily time frame. All right. So let's draw this our trend line, which has already been broken before. Okay. So I think that's basically what we can see. When we get to the 4 hour, we'll be able to draw other levels as well. Okay, so from the daily, you can see there was a break of the trend line, then price went back to retest the trend line basically, or there is a support around there. I'll show you on the 4 hour time frame. Then price formed this bearish pin bar and started coming downwards. Okay, so let me get to the 4 hour time frame. Yeah. So if you watched my video last week on EURUSD, you will realize that I said that I was very much bearish because of what the structure I was saying. Price started forming a lower high and a lower low. So this lower low here was broken. This high here never passed this other high. Then price went up to form a higher high, a lower high, sorry, before making the move to the downside. So I was able to capitalize on this move, and I hope that you were able to capitalize on it as well. Okay. If you look at the 4 hour, we can draw a descending channel quite easily on this yeah, and to this level over here. Okay. And normally I like to draw the areas that I'm interested in as a zone, so that I know the area that I'm looking at. Okay, so there's the high there, and yeah, so I'm basically looking at this area here, this lighter blue area, so that when price gets into this area, I'll be looking for some sort of reaction around that area. Okay, so price hasn't gotten to this area yet, so it's possible that price could maybe move up a little bit before coming down to test this area before moving to the upside, or price could just continue to the upside. But right now we know that price is currently in this channel. So our best bet is to see how price reacts to each of these zones. If there's a breakout, to try and look for an entry, and if there's a signal that price is going to return back, then we have to look for um, an entry to either buy or sell. Okay, so on this level you can draw another support level. All right, as I can see here that there is a support level over here that price has tested several times. Change this to red. Yeah, so price has tested it here and here as well, all these areas. Okay, so my belief that price is still going down to this zone here to test it is just because of this confluence I'm seeing, that the bottom of this channel here coincides with this support level. So it's very likely that price could easily come down to this point here, form maybe a bullish signal to take your buy opportunity to the upside. So that's what I'll be looking for this coming week, for price to get in and for us to get an opportunity to move to the upside. All right. Or you can as well wait for price to get here, and if price shows a sell signal, then you can sell, because as price is currently in a sell trend. So my bias on Euro USD is still bearish as it was last week. Price may retrace a bit, giving us an opportunity to sell. And when price does that, then we need to take the opportunity to sell. However, if price gets to this support level, we need to start looking for an opportunity to buy. If price doesn't give us an opportunity to buy, it may break this support level. And if price does break this support level, then we should be looking for an opportunity for a retest and to take price back down to the weekly support level. Okay, so this area here is a key area for us this coming week, and that's what we'll be looking at, price reactions around this area. Okay, and if price doesn't get to this area, and if price moves back up to this area over here, then we'll be looking for price reaction around this area if there's a break of it, or if there's a signal to sell back down, because our sell trend will still be valid, because it's going to be more or less like a lower high. Okay, then price comes all the way back down here, forming the lower low and giving us an opportunity to either buy or sell again. All right, so that's what I'm looking at this coming week. And we need to be careful how the market reacts, and you need to be patient. Don't chase the market, let the market come to you. Okay, so I've just identified this another key level here of this key resistance level. So price could easily go back up here, maybe not so fast, not a fast, maybe a slow move to this point, which will coincide as well with the resistance level before price comes down to this point. So we just watch to see how price reacts. Don't rush to enter a trade on Monday. See how price reacts to the market, and we look for good opportunities to capitalize on. All right, so this is my analysis on Euro USD. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you find it helpful, please leave a like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel for more weekly analysis, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.